Let's make Kerala style egg roast, also known as Mutta Roast. Heat a pan or a kadai with 3 tablespoons wood pressed coconut oil. So once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half kg thinly sliced onion. This egg roast requires only 4 ingredients apart from boiled eggs: oil, onion, Kashmiri chilli and salt. On high flame, give it a good stir, cover and let it cook for 2 minutes on high flame. After 2 minutes, remove the lid, give it a good stir. Allow the onions to roast for exactly 15 minutes until the onions start to turn light golden brown in color. After 15 minutes, the onions have started to turn light golden brown in color. Add in 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder. If you're using ordinary chilli powder, reduce by half. Kashmiri chilli powder has less heat and also will give an amazing color. So I prefer to use Kashmiri chilli powder in my recipes. 3/4 teaspoon sea salt. Reduce the flame to the lowest and give it a good mix. Once nicely mixed, allow the onions to saute for another 2 minutes so that the raw flavor of the Kashmiri chilli powder is reduced. It's about 2 minutes now and the Kashmiri chilli powder is nicely roasted and the raw flavor has diminished. At this moment, you can notice that oil also has started to release out. I'm adding in 4 boiled eggs into this. So I'm making small gashes on the eggs with a sharp knife. This will help the masalas to get right into the egg. Lightly stir the eggs in the pan for about a minute. No turmeric powder or curry leaves are used in this particular recipe. This is a very simple, easy and quick mutta roast recipe. After 1 minute, turn off the flame. Now you need to cover the masala over the egg. Gather the eggs into the center and cover it with the onion masala. So in Malayalam we call this as ulli vazhattiyathu. And I'm going to cover it with the lid and let it sit for exactly 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now. Give it a light stir and then transfer the egg roast onto a serving plate. You can enjoy this as a side dish for roti, appam, etc. So guys, do try this healthy egg roast and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.